In our previous lesson, takaita the addition of vectors. In this lesson, tinoda kuita differences of vectors, tichitanga the magnitude of a vector. But before we go anyway, tiri kuda kurangaridzana what we called the definition of a vector. Saka takadefine a vector as a quantity with both magnitude. Tikati rimwe zita remagnitude is size. So a vector is a quantity with both magnitude or size and also direction. So in this particular lesson, tiri kuda kuita focus on the magnitude of a vector. Kuti tinoiwana sei. In our previous lessons, takadefine the magnitude of a vector as corresponding to the length of what we call the vector line. Tiri papa, we defined direction as corresponding to the arrowhead. So it's the arrowhead of the vector line. I can give an example panapa. Let us say we have a vector line rakadai so, and this is A. Maona. Saka the direction of this vector inotaurwa kana kuti inoratidzwa the direction of this arrow. Kwakanongedzera arrow iyo ndo direction of the vector. When it comes to the size or magnitude of that vector, tinotarisa the length of this line. Kubva papoint inoi tichinobata at that point. So we discussed about column vectors, we discussed about translation vectors. Let us now get into our course reader and see how we have to proceed. Saka, we are on which topic? We are on the topic vectors. It is chapter 9 NGM 3. Tiripa subheading difference of vectors, magnitude of a vector. So it starts. We are given a column vector. Kana kuti a vector represented in column form. Taudzwa kuti we have AB, which is equal to what? 3, 4. And we have CD, which is equal to -4, 3. Saka tinowana say the magnitude or size of AB and also the magnitude or size of CD. So chandora kuti mutange kubata panapa, it's notation. Kana chitaura pamusoro pe notation, tiri kutaura kuti tinozvinyora sei mathematically. Kuti magnitude of AB zvinonyorwa so. Tinoisa line and todati AB totaisa line. Saka mukazoita maths at advanced level, muchadzidza about what is called the modulus function. So I'm not going to speak much on that because it is immaterial to our syllabus now, O levels mathematics, but you are going to remember what I just said. Muchaona the correlation between what we just wrote and modular functions. But zvirikuitika panapa ndezvekuti maybe if I hint, a modular function, tiri kutaura a property which can negate a function. And the property, cannot the process of negation, it is making everything positive. So the reason yatinoshandisa this and this, kungotaura kuti our magnitude, kana kuti the size is always going to be positive. And you can attest that we do not have a negative size. Hatina a negative length. Hatina a negative mass. We don't have negatives when it comes to size. So the reason why ndisina kuzvinyora izvi inhau yekuti hazvina basa relative to syllabus ratiri kuita. but ndangozvitaura in passing. So kana tichida kuti magnitude of AB tinoisa AB iri mukati memabars. Saka we have this bar AB and that bar. Then what do we do? I want us to imagine AB. Saka AB yakanzi 3 4, it's a column vector. We have learned in our first lesson that we can represent it on a Cartesian plane. So if I put a Cartesian plane panapa like this, and also like that. So this is the y-axis and the x-axis. Then kuna x we have 4, kuna y we have 3, and this is the point. Saka tichibva pa-origin like this, murikuzviona, tovatadai, so this is going to be vector a, b, like that. Saka in order for us to be able to find the size, the magnitude, remember, tataura tichiti the size or magnitude of a vector depends, cannot corresponds to the length of the vector line. Saka mubvunzo watiri kuvhunza wakangofanana nekuti tinowana sei the length of this line. So if you remember from trigonometry, tikaisa a broken line panapa like this, we have formed a right angled triangle. And what is the length of kubva pasi panapa kunobata apa? The length is going to be 3, because the line iri riri kuenderana nethe y-axis. What about kubva pa origin panapa kunobata panapa? The length is going to be 4, like that. Then if we have two sides, we are looking for the missing side, but it is a right angled triangle. We know there and then that we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem, which we taught extensively in our trigonometry cluster. So you have to revisit that topic in order for you to understand. I think it's clustered topic number 8, and we finished all lessons on trigonometry, including the Pythagoras theorem. But we know that the Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to either side squared, the sum of either side squared. So hypotenuse squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And we know that this line AB is the hypotenuse. Nepamusana pekuti reason number 1, it is opposite the 90-degree angle. Then the second reason, it is the longest line on this right angled triangle. Saka zvataita apa manje zvinopa kuti munyore this general statement, or rather an application. Kana tichida kutsvaga the modulus of AB, it is going to be equal to, tinoisa square root apo, tobva tati x squared plus y squared. That is how we find it. And the reason why we have used this square root ndeyekuti, remember we determined kuti the length, the vector line length, hypotenuse kana tikaita extrapolate a right angled triangle. So since iri hypotenuse, it means we have hypotenuse squared and is equal to a squared plus b squared. Kuti tisarwe tina hypotenuse chete, we know kuti we have to take the square root of what? Both sides. Kureva kuti here the hypotenuse will be equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So because of that, patiri kunyora panapa this general statement, which you can put in your notes, tiri kungotaura kuti instead of kuita undergo this process, tangotangira panapa. So the size of AB, the magnitude of AB, yatinowana using the Pythagoras theorem, is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. X iri kurepresenta chi? You also have to remember what we learned in our first lesson, kuti panapa we have a being equal to x, y, like that. Saka iri pamusoro inoi ndo inenge iri x, iri pazasi ndo inenge iri y. Kureva kuti kana takuda kutsvaga the size of AB, the magnitude of AB, it's equal to the square root of what is x? X is equal to 3. So it's 3 squared panapa plus what is y? Y is equal to 4. 4 squared panapa. So this is equal to 3 squared the 9 plus then what is 4 squared the 16. This is equal to, what do we get here? When we say 9 plus 16, we get 25, like this. And what is the square root of 25? The square root of 25 the 5. Panapa hatisi kuzonyora kuti plus or minus, which is expected whenever we have the square root. The answer we get after taking the square root should be a plus or minus answer, but we are not going to do that because of my lines IR2. Ne logic, common sense, inotaura kuti a size can never be negative. Saka we cannot say plus or minus 5. The answer is going to be positive. Zvinounzwa zvakare nekushandisa malines aya. Saka vaya vari keen to learn mathematics beyond what is expected of them, muchiri yenyu ku O level, but ndoda kuti mungo research about what is called the modulus function. I won't speak much from now. So we have found the length, kana kuti the magnitude size of AB. What is going to be the size of CD? So CD is a column vector. It's equal to what? It is equal to minus 4, 3. And if we want to find the size magnitude of CD, this is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. This is equal to, what is x? X is equal to minus 4. Panapa tichati minus 4 squared. Parat plus, what is y? Y is equal to 3. Saka tichati 3 squared. So this is equal to the square root again. What is minus 4 squared? So minus 4 squared zoreva kuti minus 4 times minus 4, which is a negative multiplying a negative. Kureva kuti we get a positive answer. And 4 times 4 is 16. So zvataurwa panapa ndezvekuti when we are taking, we have a negative number and we are taking it to the power n, where n is even, our answer is going to be positive. So a negative number, a negative term raised to the power an even power. Saka even, remember we are talking about numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, multiples of 2. Mazona. Kana iri even, our answer is going to be a positive. So minus 4 squared, our answer is a positive. As kana n unoshu, ari odd. Kana n ari 1, kana kuti n ari 3, n ari 5, n ari 7, n ari 9. When n is an odd power, we are going to get a negative answer. So panapa we get a negative answer. Then apple we get a positive answer. So this is something you should know. So tichidzokera question yedu, minus 4 squared taona kuti ndi 16. This is plus 3 squared ndi 9. So this is equal to the square root of 16 plus 9, that is 25. Kureva kuti our answer is going to be 5. And panapa I need you to answer the question. Nemaka ye tati answer yedu ndi 5 instead of plus or minus 5, even though tatora the square root of 25. So I want you to answer this question and put your reason in the comments section. So zvatatoita izvo hama dzangu, tatopedza kudefine what is the magnitude of a vector. So from here we want to move on to subtraction. How does subtraction work? So when we talk about subtraction, we are basically talking about something called negation. Saka tiri kudzokera kudefinition yevector as a quantity with both magnitude kana kuti size. Saka muchaona kuti matextbooks akawanda vanofarira kuti magnitude, but you can call it size. Hazvina mhosva. So this is a quantity with both magnitude or size and direction. In our previous subtopic, tadila ne the magnitude. Kaona kuti inowanikwa through the Pythagoras theorem, tikaapply kuti tinoiwana sei. Panapa we now have an interest on the direction. So ndoda kuti mubatisise word rekuti negation change ndichirishandisa kakawanda. Vara iri rekuti negation rinongoreva kuti changing the arithmetic sign of a number. So we are talking about changing the arithmetic sign. Kureva kuti yanga imbori plus yava minus, yanga imbori minus yava plus. Izvi hazvizi zvitsva nepamusana petopic yatakaita yealgebra and also topic yema equations. We learned that if we have a situation like x plus 3 is equal to 5, what we can do is tinogona kutransfer 3 unouya achiuya kuside uku, but the moment a number or term crosses over kana kuti jumps the equal sign, it changes its arithmetic sign. Kureva kuti zvayanga imbori plus 3 inenge yava x is equal to 5 minus 3. Saka change yaitika panapa ndeyekuti tabva kuna plus 3 tichienda kuna minus 3. But zvaitika nekuda kwekujamba the equal sign. So panapa ndatopa a quick demonstration of negation. Ndo yaitika panapa. Saka negation haizi itsva. So zvatiri kutaura izvi zvinopinda papi kana tichitaura pamusoro pe subtraction. Let me give you a situation. Let us say we have a vector. Vector redu rakadai so. It's vector A. Taudzwa kuti A it's equal to 5, 2. And what if kana tiine vector B? Saka we have two vectors and B is equal to, B over here is equal to minus 5, minus 2. Like that. What does it mean? Zvazvinoreva panapa madzangu ndezvekuti kana A yakatarisa in this direction ari 5, 2, B unoyu anenge akafanana na A because we have the same numbers 5, 2, 5, 2. Musiyano ndewekuti A uyu akatarisa side rakatarisa, B anenge akatarisa the opposite side of A. Saka kana tikaintroduce the negative sign, we are basically reversing direction. Saka this is a very important fact, cannot not. Tiri kuti the negative sign, changes the direction of a vector. And patichatanga kuita ma questions eSimSec neCambridge, you are going to see the importance of mastering this skill. Kuti kana tichida kureversa the direction of A, we just have to multiply minus 1 times A. And handisi kuda hangu kukumhanyirai panapa, but you should know kuti B ino ish. We are going to do this under scalar multiplication manje. But you should know kuti B iyo iri just equal to minus 1, 5, 2. So basically zvataita tangotora minus 1 tikamultiplier ne the vector B. Kureva iko kuti therefore A iri just equal to, in fact B iri equal to minus A. Ndozva zviri kureva. So I don't wish to confuse you. Saka tiri panapa chatiri kufanirwa kubata ndechekuti kana tichida kurivhesa the direction of a vector, tinopinda mukati mevhector racho tochinja sign, and we change the sign of both numbers, both x and y representatives. A is equal to 5, b anenge ari equal to minus 5, a panenge ari equal to 2, b are equal to minus 2. Saka we have changed sign E. This is a positive, panapa it's a negative. This is a positive, panapa it's a negative. We might have had a situation like, let us say C is equal to 3 minus 2. Tikada kurivesa this C and tinenge chiti maybe D inenge iri equal to, panapa pana plus 3 saka inenge ya minus 3, panapa pana minus 2 saka inenge ya 2, like that. So ndo zviri kuitika apo, negating, changing of sign. So that is very important. We have to take note that B is a vector which has the same magnitude. Saka ma numbers are 5, 2 in this case, they are representing magnitude or size. And if we do this, I want you to check something. If we take A, for example, we need to find the magnitude of A, and we know that it's going to be basically 5 squared plus 2 squared. If we take B unoyo and we want to find its magnitude, it's going to be the square root of minus 5 squared plus minus 2 squared. But izvi hazvina kusiyana manje. Reason hazvisina kusiyana ndeyekuti we know kuti the square of a negative number is positive. Panapa taizoendera mberi tichiti 5 squared ndi 25 plus 2 squared ndi 4. Then pakutsvaga b taendera mberi zvakare tichiti minus 5 squared ndi 25 plus minus 2 squared ndi 4. Saka we get to a situation where we have the square root of 25 plus 4. Saka the magnitude is the same. Indicator yekuti the magnitude is the same kufanana kwemanamba ya 52 52, ende anofanira akafanana. We are going to explore many things. Vectors, it's really a special topic in O-level mathematics. Saka we took note that B has the same magnitude as A, but it is in the opposite direction. Saka B inenge equal to minus A deduction which we found pataita an example. What we now need to do is we now need to work through an example and see how we can go about it. This is going to be our question. If P is equal to 41 minus 27, find PA by calculation. So let us start with A. Tiri kuda kuwana the value of P by calculation. Saka we know kuti P is equal to 41 panapa minus 27, like that. That is what P is equal to. Remember takadzidza kuti when we are dealing with vectors, we are going to be using correspondence. And we said, for example, let me write a general statement panapa for our sake. So the general statement iri kuti if A and, for example, it's equal to x1 y1 minus x2 y2. This is going to be equal to x1 minus x2, then y1 minus y2. Ino ichi ndo yavanotiyochi matrix arithmetic. So that's matrix arithmetic. But inini ndinongoiti correspondence. Correspondence zvichingobva pakuti zvine kuenderana mukati. You understand? Saka panapa zvatichaita in order for us to solve that, we are going to say P is equal to, toisa bracket hombe, then it becomes 4 and ino iri pamusoro minus e then minus 2 like that. Saka make sure kuti maminus edu anosangana. We have 4 panapa and minus yekutanga iminus iri pakati pemavectors and minus yechipiri iminus iri kufambidzana na2. Then pazasi panapa teta kungoti 1 minus 7 like this. Saka panapa taakuti p is equal to, then it's 4 minus minus 2 kureva kuti inge richi 4 plus 2. Maminus akasangana anokanselana over a plus, a positive. Then pazasi iri kuramba irichi 1 minus 7 like that. Therefore p is equal to, takati 4 plus 2 tinowana 5 6, that's 6. 1 minus 7 tinowana minus 6. So this is going to be our final answer, 6 minus 6. Then from there zvava zvanzi titsvage the magnitude of p. Saka knowing kuti p iri equal to 6 minus 6 like this, we also know that the magnitude of p is going to be given by the square root of the x value of p squared plus the y value of p squared. Kureva kuti knowing kuti x ndi 6 and so this is the square root of 6 squared plus y ndi minus 6 squared like that. So this is equal to what? The square root of 6 squared ndi 36 plus minus 6 squared is 36. If we add 36 plus 36, 6 plus 6 and 12 to carry 1, 3 plus 3, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. Kureva kuti we have 72. This is going to be our final answer since 72 is not a perfect square. By a perfect square, tikungoti 72 cannot be simplified any further. Maona. Satatodaiswo tapedza. Taita A, tikaita our B. So this is our practice question for this particular lesson. What is coming next is I'm going to give you an exercise which I want you to work on, practice with, so that we can progress and so that I can also have clarity on whether you mastered the concepts or not. If you have any questions in this particular lesson, please use the comments section or contact to me directly using the numbers which are going to be provided at the end of this lesson. You can put in any comments, be it how the lessons are helping you, that is if they are helping you, what you wish the lessons to improve on, be it on the delivery, are you understanding what I'm teaching? Shungu dzangu hama dzangu ndedzekuti munhu asanyora O level kaviri. This is going to be your exercise. This is the exercise I want you to do. Exercise 9C, New General Mathematics 3, Chapter 9, page 81. Load out meter number 1, meter A na F. Number 2, munoita B na D. Number 4, moita yese. Number 5, yese. Then number 9, moita A na H. Thank you for your time. Take care.